Options: set the unit as millimeters, select the front plane, okay, sketch polygon, make this horizontal edge. Now go to smart dimensions. This is 30, side is 30, features extruded boss, a thickness of 30. Select this plane, sketch, draw circle, tangent circle, features extruded cut, rectangle 45. Now this edge is to be removed. So one side there is a chamfer, other end there is no chamfer. We select the other plane, normal to, sketch circle, center circle, radius correct it to 15, features extruded boss, a distance of 150, edge you can make a chamfer, select this edge, chamfer, this is 2 mm 45, it's okay. Now go to thread wizard, all wizard, thread wizard. End location, this is the location, starting location. Now you go to M32 pitch, revolutions make it some 50 revolutions. Use cut thread. Thank you for watching the video.